Hello guys, welcome to my channel Node Developer. So in this video, I'm going to start with a quote by Martin Fowler. Fowler basically, any fool can write code that a computer can understand. Good programmers write code that humans can understand. So what does that mean actually? It means basically that we should use some good coding practices and we should write code clean and concise so that humans can understand that. We developers, we can understand the code. If you write some code and other developer can't understand that code, then that code is just for the sake of the computer, not for the humans to understand. If they can't understand, then they can't perform certain other tasks which on that particular code. So for that we use some practices, and in this video I'm going to share some Kotlin best practices. See in this video whether you are aware of those or not. First I'm going to talk about the loops. So for loop is basically a great construct for imperative programming. However, if there is a function for the loop does the job for us, then we should use those function instead. Is for better practice 0 until 10. So now if I print this, it is going to show us 0 1 2. Okay, so this is the result. Basically it is showing us. Now there is an alternative basically which we can use, is basically a repeat. Okay, if I now if I run this, then you can see it is also going to show you the similar result. Okay, so this is the function basically. If I show you the function basically, then this is the function. Okay, so this is the inline function repeat, which takes the value how many times you want to run this basically, and inside that times it just using the for loop. Okay, so if we have some function like that, we can use and optimize our code as much as possible. Now if I have a list like that, okay, list of int basically 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. okay, if I print this using for loop, then it is going to be like that. Okay, I in list and just print I. Okay, now if I run this, then you can see simply 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, is there any other way we can do this? Yes, we can obviously do this by just using list dot for each, and now you can use this as like that. Okay, you can simply print this. Actually, if I run this, then you can see simply it is going to print this. And if I show you the implementation of this function, this is also exactly the same we are performing inside this. Okay, so these are the functions we can use, and there is another method which we use, which we are like if I want to create a new list which is mutable list of int, and for that we need to use simply I in list, and each I'm going to use list dot add I. Okay, so that's how you can add the new list in basically, and or you can simply do this actually if you want. Now if I print new list here, you will get 1 4 9 16 25. Okay, we can also do this by using just like that. We don't need to use mutable just that initialization, actually declaration, basically not initialization, it is just a declaration. Basically we can use simply that function just like that, and here we just need to use it cross it. Now what is this? It is basically it is the lambda parameter, which is we can optimize it as much as we can. Like this is the number, so we can use this number. Okay, now number into number. Okay, and now if I print this, it is going to show us the same result which we get. Now you can see. Okay, you can also see the implementation of this also. This is like that basically. So these are the some basic functions which we can use instead of the loop. Okay.